Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace brake pads, Subaru Forester 2017. Start by loosening lug nuts, raising the car, and removing the wheel to expose the caliper. Use a 14mm socket to remove the caliper bolts and support the caliper to avoid stress on the brake line. Slide out old pads, inspect the rotor, and clean the caliper bracket. Compress the piston with a C-clamp and begin removal by undoing the caliper bolts while the caliper is supported to avoid brake hose damage. Carefully lift the caliper off the rotor and hang it on the suspension with a bungee or wire. Pull out the old pads and inspect the backing plates for glazing or cracks. Clean the caliper bracket and hardware thoroughly with brake cleaner to ensure smooth pad movement and prevent noise once reassembled. Prepare new pads by applying a thin layer of high-temperature brake grease to the contact points and slider pins. Gently retract the caliper piston using a C-clamp while keeping the brake reservoir open to avoid pressure buildup. Position the new pads in the bracket, reseat the caliper, and torque the caliper bolts and lug nuts to specification. Pump the brake pedal to set pad position and check for leaks and proper pedal feel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.